Hi, to change your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 refresh rate, we would need to go in the tablet settings first, and from here scroll on the left side to go in the display. Now simply select Motion Smoothness by tapping it, and here is your refresh rate. So we got two options: Adaptive to get smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz, or Standard to get longer battery life by automatically adjusting your screen refresh rate up to 60 Hz. So if you want to save battery power, choose this standard one by tapping it, and for gaming and smoothness, just use this adaptive one. And here you can see the example and the difference between those two refresh rates. And if you switch to any other option, don't forget to tap this blue button Apply to save those changes. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!